back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Carlie, welcome. Please don't forget to subscribe down below. So, today's video is going to be 7 different summer outfit ideas you can wear. Obviously I wear more than 7 outfits, but I've just kind of picked out like categories, you know, what you could wear like with things. I'll explain when I try them on and all that. So yeah, I'm going to show you what like kind of things I would wear in summer, and yeah, so hope you enjoy the video and let's get into it. Right, so here's one of the first outfits that I would wear in summer. So I have quite a few of these little cute tops. They've just got straps here, and then on the back they have a bow, obviously not done up nicely because it was by me, and obviously when you do it yourself you can't see. So this top's from New Look, and then I have these shorts. These are from Zara. So I would mainly wear, I have quite a few pairs of these shorts too in different colours, just because I love tailored shorts and they're just, I love them, they go with lots. And yeah, I have quite a few different patterns and colours in these. That's what they look like from the back. So this would be outfit 1. I wore it with white denim jeans, and then I wore it with these shorts a few weeks ago. So yeah, I like versatile pieces. Like, to be honest, with these shorts I could probably put blue top with it, purple, not purple, that's red, green with it, you know, all the different colours that are on here. I just put anything with it that goes with the colours on the shorts, to be honest. So this is one of the other options that I would wear. This is a nice dress from Zara. It's got cute daisy prints on it, and yeah, that's from the back. It has a little tie-up thing at the back here, where you can tie it up like that. But obviously I didn't. But yeah, you can tie it up from the back, and it's got these little ruffles at the front and little ruffles at the bottom. I like these dresses because they're just cute, and they look slightly made an effort when you ain't, so they're brilliant. So this is outfit number 3. Can't even know what 3 fingers then. Oh, for God's sake, that was that ring doorbell going on again. Anyway, this is outfit number 3, and it's a cute play suit. I love a play suit in summer, just because if you don't want to wear shorts, or you don't want to wear a dress, or you don't want to wear a skirt, play suit is an option. I just love them. And also, yeah, and obviously it's cute, and it's blue, and it's got these flowers on it, and then this is what it looks like from the back. It does a zip up there. Obviously I wouldn't wear this bra with it, I'm just wearing this bra because I am, but if I was to, I'd wear a clear, I have a clear bra that's got a strap at the back. That's what I wear with this, and then it does up at the top. But yeah, cute, and I love it, and I wear it every summer. Yeah, I do. I love it. And I have this pattern in a dress as well. So I have this pattern in a blue dress and a white dress. It's amazing, honestly. Probably the best things I've ever bought from Misguided were this play suit and them 2 dresses. So this is my second option dress for summer. I've just decided to put in this video today. I love it because it's nice and light in colour, and it's got a nice broderie pattern, which is one of my favourites. I like wearing like bright colours, light colours in summer, just because it looks fresh, but also I like the detail, the black bows on the sides as well, just because it gives it a little bit of something. And yeah, this dress I'd probably wear maybe when it's not at its hottest, so I wouldn't wear this when it's 25 or 28 or something like that. I'd probably wear it when it was like maybe 20, 21, something like that, just because it has got the quarter sleeves, and also it's from Zara, and I got it last year I think. So yeah, and I love it, it's cute. So this is another outfit that I'd wear in summer. So this is outfit number 5. Is it? Yeah, it is number 5. And it's just a cute slogan tee with some nice denim shorts. Both these are from Primark. I bought them a few weeks ago. I've got 3 different colours of these shorts. Yeah. And I just love them because they're nice length and they're nice style. And I think this is such a nice outfit to just like put together, to be honest, because I love shorts and a t-shirt. It's just easy, isn't it? And it looks very stylish. So yeah, I love it. And yeah, these are still in Primark at the moment if you want to get your hands on them. Really nice outfit if I'm going to the park or shopping or something like that, you know. But yeah, so outfit number 5. So this will be another outfit I would choose to wear. It's just a really cute play suit, khaki green, kind of army vibes. I've paired it with my Gucci belt just because I like wearing it with a belt. I don't think I would wear it without a belt. But yeah, really cute. I got this from New Look, kids section, age 14 I think. So yeah, they do come up quite big. I mean, yeah, it's quite big. That's why I like wearing it with the belt. Otherwise, it probably would look a bit weird. But yeah, just nice to wear it to the park or something like that. You know, easy and comfortable. So this is the last outfit of the video. Something I would wear, just going anywhere really. Easy, denim skirt and a Bardo top. Really easy. This is from Primark. This is from River Island. And I love it just because it's an easy top, it's light, and yeah, it will probably, I have like 3 denim skirts, so it'll probably go with all the skirts as well. Probably wear a pair of shorts as well maybe, you know, just like the combo I like skirt and top, just because it's a nice combo, you know what I mean. So yeah, this is one of the outfits I'd wear. Maybe either wear white with this as well, just go with the white stitching it's got in it, or just any top really, because denim goes with anything, doesn't it? So yeah, and with all these outfits I would probably pair like sandals, flip-flops, maybe Converses if I'm not feeling too hot, just because I don't like wearing shoes that are too hot when I'm in summer. I'm a sandal girl, like I love wearing sandals, Havaianas, you know, all that kind of stuff. So yeah, or you know, if I want to dress them up, I'd probably wear a pair of wedges, or yeah, just some fancy snazzy sandals. So yeah, they're my 7 outfits that I would wear in summer. Obviously these are not the only 7 outfits, as I said. These are kind of the combos that I would always use. Like shorts and a t-shirt, shorts and a t-shirt, skirt and t-shirt, or not t-shirt, just like any top really, dress, play suit, maybe a jumpsuit, but jumpsuits I think they're a bit too hot for summer, that's why I like play suits, but yeah, all that kind of stuff. But yeah, so I hope you've enjoyed getting the insight into my fashion and seeing what I would wear throughout summer, throughout, you know, the hot period, just seeing what I like wearing really. And yeah, I mean, I do like shopping around a lot of different places. Like, I don't just shop in one shop, as you've seen in the video. Done New Look, Primark, River Island. What's the other one? Misguided. Yeah, Zara. So yeah, I mean, they're mainly the places I shop. So, oh, and I like PLT too, but mainly my PLT stuff is about going out there, so don't really have much somewhere from there yet, but probably will find some. Anyway, so, you know, I know the weather's not great today. It's a bit cloudy, it was raining, but, you know, it is summer, so we've got to dress for it. I don't like wearing jeans in summer, even if it's raining. I will probably still wear a dress, maybe, if it's hot. If it's 18, probably won't. Anyway, so hope you have a nice week and enjoy life. And please don't forget to like my video, subscribe to my channel and share it with your family and friends. Also turn on the notification bell if you'd like to see whenever I upload a new video. Okay, see you in the next video guys. Bye.